Here is a short, simple guide to assembling your squeegee. The handle comes in 3 parts. These parts slot together like so. You might find it useful to tap the handle on the floor to close up the joints and make it nice and tight. You'll notice that one end of the handle has a thread on it and the other has a grey stopper. The grey stopper can be removed and exchanged for the one which matches the colour of the head supplied. To change them over, simply pull off the grey one and push on the new one, which in this case is red. Remove the sleeve from the squeegee head as shown here. Slide the sleeve over the thread and onto the handle. You'll notice that there are some teeth on the head. These will grip the handle. Finally, insert the handle into the head and push in as far as it will go. Do not try and screw the handle onto the head. Screw the sleeve onto the head, ensuring it is tight. Your squeegee is now ready for use.